cute, easy Christmas nail design.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow me on Instagram as well. All the products are from Glitter Planet and you can use my code NINJA5 for 5% off. I'll be using Nailmate gel polishes in Midnight, Lime Time, Poppy, White Out, and I'll also be using Super Gloss to top these nails off. I'll be using Clear Hollow for the sugaring section on my design, and this glitter is perfect for that sugared effect. I really wanted to create some bright, festive, cute nails, so I decided to choose these colours because I think they really pop. It's not your traditional green that you would use, it's a super bright, vibrant green, and I think it looked so adorable. The detailer brush that I'm using for today's video is the Nailmate two-sided detailer, and I'll link everything down below, so if you're interested in checking anything out, then check the description box because I'll be sure to pop it down there. So this is what the detailer looks like. It is double-sided and it has caps as well. So let's go ahead and get straight into this look. I'm going to start off by painting the base for my design. You want to come in and add a white base to one of the nails. You do want to go ahead and apply 2 coats to make sure it's nice and opaque. On the second nail, you want to go ahead and apply your nice bright green. Now if you don't want a bright lime zesty green for this set, you could definitely switch that out and choose a more traditional Christmassy green. On the next nail, we're going to move on to using the Poppy Red gel polish, and we're going to go ahead and paint half of this nail just roughly with this colour, because we're going to come in on the tip of the nail and do that with the white gel polish. It doesn't need to meet exactly in the middle because we are going to be painting over that bit later on in the nail tutorial. Once you've painted each base colour, you want to make sure to cure that in the lamp for a full 60 seconds. For this nail, I'm going to do a full red gel polish nail, and that's all of our base nails done. You do want to make sure that you come in and do 2 coats of those colours on all nails. So on the white portions of all the nails, we're going to go ahead and remove that tacky layer. So completely on the full white nail and then just on the white tip. And that's because we're going to come in and do some foiled design work. So for my transfer foils, I'm going to be using Glitter Planet Foil Mate, which we just restocked, and we also just restocked our Christmas foils just in time for Christmas. Hooray, like damn. I'll be sure to link them down below for those of you that are interested. I'm going to be choosing this one because I felt like the greens were just bright and popping, and we've got the reds and the whites, and it just seemed super Christmassy, and it really went with the colour palette that I chose. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my Foil Mate over the top of the white portions of the nail. Now remember, I have removed the tacky layer off these nails. It is important that you do that step before applying the Foil Mate gel polish, otherwise you may have issues with it not curing correctly or not allowing the foil to stick fully. I've cured it for a full 60 seconds in the light, and then I've let it air dry for a further 30 seconds, and now I'm coming in with my foil. I'm just going to make sure that I've really rubbed all of the areas in. I do usually use a silicone tool, but I was being a bit lazy and I didn't want to grab them literally out of the drawer next to me. I know, how lazy. So I just used my nail and my finger just to make sure that those foils were pressed firmly onto that polish. I'm just removing the foil, and voila, how easy and how beautiful does that look. I felt like I needed a little bit more just at the bottom, like the design looked like it finished, so I just pressed on the little red part of the snowflake there just to add a little bit more to that pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same on the other white half of the nail. I'm selecting the area of foil that I want to print and just making sure to rub and apply pressure all over the entire foil transfer. This way you're going to get a nice even coverage, especially with the Foil Mate transfer gel. It's fabulous for transferring full images. I'm just popping some of the white gel polish onto the palette, and I'm using the Nailmate Detailer as I mentioned earlier on. It's perfect for detailed line work and creating snowflakes and all of that good stuff. So I'm coming in with the dotting tools and I'm just mapping out where I'm going to be applying my snowflakes, and by doing it this way it just makes it super easy just to follow and make elegant snowflakes, and you can really make them however you like. I don't think there's any wrong or right way. Once I have mapped out the designs with the dotting tool, I go ahead and cure that in the light, and then we're going to come in and do the lines. So I'm coming in with my detailer brush and the white gel polish and just connecting those dots. It's super easy and simple to do snowflakes this way. I remember when I first started doing snowflakes, I would try and draw them all out and all the little spikes coming off and make them super detailed, which there's nothing wrong with doing that, but they were never even and they were always a bit chunky looking. Again, snowflakes come in all shapes and sizes. I don't think there's anything wrong with any snowflakes, but I found this to be the easiest way to create them. And you can have fun and do different variations as well. So I'm using the mini LED flashlight just to flash cure my designs. These are a new item and they are available now over on the website, so I'll remember to link that below for you guys as well, just in case you are interested. The LED flashlights take 3 AAA batteries, which are not included, and honestly I find them so convenient and just fabulous for doing design work. I feel like when you're painting with gel polishes to keep putting your hand in and out of your big lamps, it just becomes hard work, really just a pain in the butt. So if you're doing quick design work and you try and do a little bit flash cure, do a little bit flash cure, I feel like the LED torch flash curing light is such a better option. So I've gone ahead and cured those snowflakes in the light, and now I'm going to come in with Midnight Black Gel Polish on one of the detailing striper brushes. We will have these back in stock soon. They are just getting a revamp and I'm so excited for them to come back. They are going to be absolutely freaking bomb. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and paint basically like a black belt straight across the nail, just disguising where those colours join. I'm just going to go ahead and cure that in the lamp, and then I'll be adding top coat to this nail. So I'm going to go ahead and add a super gloss no wipe top coat to the entire nail, and then we're going to come in and do the sugaring. So the reason I did the top coat first is because I didn't want the glitter to stick to the top portion of this nail, and if I'd have tried to kind of sprinkle it just on the bottom half, I know full well that would not have worked for me. It would have been absolutely everywhere, so I thought I'm just going to do a full top coat, cure it, and then I'll do the bottom portion of the nail. So if you were doing this for a client, you would definitely go ahead and just buff off the bottom half of this nail with a buffing block just to make it a little bit rough, and then reapply that top coat and do your sugaring. And I think that clear hollow loose glitter for sugaring work is absolutely divine. It looks amazing. Look how delicate and intricate that looks now. It just took it up a whole new level, and I think you can do that with any of the foils. It doesn't just have to be the Christmas foils. We have galaxy foils, what else do we have, what are they called, the shells, leopard print, oil slick. Anything could be sugared over the top and it would completely just change the look. You don't even have to sugar the entire foil, you could just do it in certain places and it would look bomb. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and sugar this full nail, and I love how it turns out. I think it looks absolutely so gorgeous. So for the red nail and the green nail that are full cover, I'm going to go ahead and do like a tartan pattern, kind of. It's a really simple, easy one to do. It's just a few lines here and there with the colours of choice of this set, just to bring the colours throughout the whole set so that everything fits nicely. I just go ahead and paint the lines nice and neat and cure between each colour, just to make sure I don't get any colours running into one another. Yeah, I love how it turned out. I think it looks super cute. Even this would look cute sugared as well. Or you could just sugar the white lines. It would look beautiful matte and then sugared. Like, the possibilities are endless. You can just have fun and play around. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do the same process for this nail, but with the opposite colours that match the set. So the white, the red, and then the black. And then I'm going to go ahead and top coat all of the nails, and we'll check out the set all together. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I love how it turned out. I think it looks so cute, so Christmassy, and so bright and cheerful as well. So yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned some new techniques, and I hope you try this out. If you do, definitely tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll be sure to share your look on my stories or to my page, because I love seeing your guys' work, especially if you are recreating something that I've shown you how to do. So yeah, I think that's it for this video. Please do give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, that's practically the same thing, but do both. Leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already. And as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.